How to start a 2-cycle traditional pull start trimmer. In this video, we will review detailed instructions on how to start your 2-cycle traditional pull start product. If you have a product with this starting, your product carburetor will look similar to this with a lever that has 3 stop locations. Before starting your product, refer to the manual for instructions on fueling your unit. Be sure to wear proper protective equipment outlined in your manual, including safety glasses, and make sure bystanders and pets are 50 feet from you. The first step is always to use fresh gasoline and make sure to mix it to the correct oil ratio for that product. Even better and easier is to use pre-mixed fuel, which you can purchase at any outdoor power equipment retailer. Once the product is fueled, place the unit on a flat surface. Prime your product by fully pressing the primer bulb 10 times until the bulb is almost full with fuel. Move the choke lever to position 1. Then, squeeze and hold the throttle control while pulling the starting rope a maximum of 5 times. If engine starts or attempts to start, stop pulling rope. Now move the choke lever to position 2. Then, squeeze and hold the throttle control while pulling the starting rope 5 to 10 times to start the engine. If the engine does not start after 10 pulls, repeat earlier instructions. Once the engine starts, continue to squeeze the throttle to warm up the engine. Allow the engine to warm up for 60 seconds. Once the engine is warmed up, while continuing to squeeze the throttle, move the choke lever to position 3. The product is ready to be used at this time. If the engine fails to start, begin the starting process again and move lever back to position 1. If the engine still will not start after several attempts, it is most likely due to bad fuel, a dirty air filter, or spark plug. Please refer to your manual for additional troubleshooting tips or contact our customer service department. Now, you're ready to beautify your backyard.